Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we got the Hobao Hyper SSTE. I believe that's the correct name for this. It's been 1 year since I've had this car. It's time to let you know what I think after 1 year of owning it. All right, man, what a beauty. And if you've never experienced a Hobao, I think you should, man. I think they're one of the most slept on companies. They make some really nice stuff. Is it perfect? No. So let me go over a couple of things that I think they could have improved on. And we'll start out here with the body pin system. I'm not really a fan of body pins. I know some people are, but whatever. I'm not really a fan of it, but I do like the fact that that they gave you some really big body pins. These are easy to grab and maneuver. But my big issue with it is I wish they were tethered. I really hate having loose body pins floating around everywhere. And I will say this on every RC that doesn't do this. Heatsink and fan for the motor should just be standard equipment. So this is something that I added here. And my one big complaint that Hobao should have taken care of above anything else is a center brace. Now I got this on eBay. I'll leave a link down below, and I think I have it installed correctly. It's funny, the guy that made it, he saw my video and he said, you put that piece on wrong. I think I have it fixed now. Yeah, I got this beautiful carbon fiber brace because before you would grab it and you could actually kind of flex the chassis in a little bit. And that's just some serious weakness right there. I mean, nothing. I mean, yeah, there's like a little brace going from here to this, and then over here, from there to there, but nothing in the center. So it just really had a bit of flex. So I put this brace in, and between the brace, the fan, and what I need to do is drill some holes and put some tethers. This is perfect. We do have, like, look at this, a beautiful, not even rebranded, Hobby Wing ESC. I did put a Dumbo receiver in here. I was at the point where I was trying to I had so many cars, I was trying to put everything onto just a couple of transmitters, and man, that just got expensive. But yeah, other than that, man, you know, we got metal threaded shocks, anti-sway bars, just oversized, really robust control arms, even upper A arms in the front. Not a fan of these links in the rear, but look at this super flexible wing mount. Just a really good car. So let me go ahead and get the body on, and let's go have some fun. All right, so one thing you might notice that's weird is these pin tires. This is normally something we see on race buggies, and you might wonder how they do. And for me, I think they've been fine. Golly. So yes, this is a 6S Truggy. It is a monster. Oh, what a beast. I am so blown away with Hobao. I just can't believe that, you know, there's not more availability of them. And you know, the bad thing is, like, when you do go to their website and you look at what's available, almost nothing is. But yes, some of the vendors still have some in stock. Tyson is a dealer. He can get you some if you want Hobao. You just got to email him. It's not anything that he keeps on hand. Oh, yeah, this whole corner here is just contaminated now. It's just too many tree roots, even for these larger cars. So I've pretty much I've covered the dislikes. So the only thing to talk about is what I like, and you guys know that for me, when I buy an RC, I love blue. Blue's my color. That's my go-to. I love blue. Usually, if I have something in any other color, I'm not really that fond of it. But man, this orange looks amazing. And yes, I know I have an orange car, but that wasn't really. I needed a car in a hurry. My other daily driver got taken out by a deer, and I needed something in a hurry. But my next car will definitely be something in the blue range, because I will have plenty of time to shop for it. But, man, yeah, I've had a lot of fun with this RC wherever I've taken it. I think the last time I had it, I was at the beach. We drag raced the pickup. Oh boy, did he lose. I don't think he realized that modern RC cars are as fast as they are, or he just really wanted to be embarrassed. I don't know. But yeah, man, I just really, really like this RC. They really should do something about that center brace. So they should add a center brace. It should have come with one. The chassis just, to me, not strong enough on its own. You will probably bend it. And you guys know that, you watch my channel, I'm not really big on upgrades and doing stuff unless something absolutely needs it. Now, a heat sink and a fan, I will do that all day long. I don't even need to see the car go into thermal. It's just something I'm going to do, cheap insurance. But when I had this car, whatever I was doing something, I was like, oh wow, man, that flex is not as bad as the Vorza S, which unfortunately this guy doesn't make a chassis brace for. The only one that does is some other guy. And I bought 2 of his braces, which didn't do anything. They just look nicer than the factory braces. The main piece, but you need those 2 braces to put them. And then you got to change the motor mount. I mean, it just was way more money than I want to sink into that car. But I am grateful that this guy makes this really cool carbon fiber center brace for this. And it works great, even if you don't install it correctly. So I have 3 Hobaos. I had the Semi, which was a kit. You had to assemble it, paint it, put the everything in it. Pretty cool, all-wheel drive. It's belt drive. Uh-oh. Thought I heard something. I guess probably just hit a stick or something. And then I had the Hyper, whatever, monster truck. Man, that thing's a blast too. I really love truggies. This is like my style of driving. Ground pounding, truggies, just taking turns, kicking up dirt and stuff like that. I love it. I love it. We're bleeding a lot of power to the front wheels, but it's really weird because we're still like yanking wheelies left and right. I would really hate to thicken that, because then I probably couldn't keep that front end down. But yeah, Hobao, if you've never tried it, I'd recommend it. I'd give them a shot, man. Uh-oh. Really? Hell yeah, self-recovery. All right, so I don't want to make this video too long. It's a bit hot out here too. But I am having fun. I love this RC. After 1 year of ownership, would I buy it again? Hell yeah, in an instant. Absolutely love this thing. I mean, it's just built tough. You know, like I said, with the exception of the center brace, which we can fix. But I mean, man, just look at the size of these control arms, man. Hobao makes some really good stuff. I would really love to see this company grow, have somebody like A-Main carry them, and it just become more of a mainstream name. I think they deserve it, but for whatever reason, they're just kind of hard to get a hold of. So if you can find one, get it, cherish it, take it out there, man, run it, because it can take it. It can take it. Dude, tell me it's not one of like the most beautiful, not the most beautiful truggy you've seen. I mean, it's freaking gorgeous. I love it. I absolutely love it. So if I can find any place to buy it, I'll leave a link down below, and it probably won't be an affiliate link because none of my work. But if you call Tyson or email him, probably better off to call him, or maybe email, and just say, hey, Elta W said that you can get Hobao. Let him see what he can do for you. Because I don't even think you can buy off the Hobao website, and when you look at their stuff, it just seems like everything's out of stock. Maybe you can buy, I don't know, but I really dig on Hobao stuff. Like I said, I got 3 of them. Love all 3. It's just one of those slept-on companies, and it's one of those ones that if you buy, you'll probably be one of the only ones out there with it, because there's just not a whole lot of them out there. So it makes it really cool and unique. So hope you found this fun, informative, entertaining. You'll subscribe, join us for some more RC adventures. And until next time, take care. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.